Please do not look between my eyebrows. I don't know what's going on there today. It looks real crusty, okay? But anyways, that is not what this video is about today. Today I'm going to do another side-by-side comparison of 2 months of Boxycharm. If you are not new here, then you know that I have really been on the fence about Boxycharm lately, and it makes me sad. It really does. But even though I have been on the fence, I am still really finding it difficult to pull the plug and walk away from Boxycharm, because out of all the beauty subscriptions I have seen, I have not found one that I feel like is better, even on the bad months of Boxycharm. But I'm struggling to know if I should keep enrolled. The reasons why: my giveaways aren't getting as much attention as they used to. I'm thinking that's probably due to the YouTube algorithm. Honestly, that's what I think. I think sometimes giveaways can bring on spam accounts, so I wonder if they're kind of doing something to prevent that, which is then causing my giveaway videos to not get as much attention. I think also there's probably a lot of you out there like me who just have as much beauty products as they need. That is the other reason why I'm really on the fence about whether or not I'm going to keep enrolled in Boxycharm. It's so fun to get the box each month. It's so cool to see what products are in there, but I'm kind of getting full up in his house. So anyways, okay, so I have the August box and the September box here, so if you want to see what I got inside, then just keep watching. Obviously, we will dive into the August box first. The little card here says Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, Slumber, which seems more like it would be the September box theme to me, just because September is more fall and I think more camping in the fall, but maybe that's just me. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is this Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. So I have used their products before. I do really like them, and I do have large pores. Very large pores. This product comes in at $36. The next thing is a brand we see a lot. Trestique is in here a lot. This is their Summer Glow and Go set, $42. It has a highlight stick, a blush stick, a shadow crayon, and a brow pencil. These are all mini sizes. We get Trestique in here a lot, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm never really excited to see it in here. Are you? It's just not a brand that calls my name. I'm definitely more of a glam kind of person. I'm definitely more of a full face kind of person. I feel like Trestique is more meant for the woman on the go who wants really simple. So it's just not really, doesn't really float my boat, you know? The next product is something I'm excited to see in here. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. This comes in at $20. A tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers. I love brow gels. I don't know if I let my brows grow in during the shutdown, or if it, you know, you just couldn't go do anything. I wasn't going to get my brows done during the shutdown, and I actually haven't got my brows done since, so they've grown in. I've kind of been trying out more of the fluffy brow look, so I actually am really excited to receive this in the box and cannot wait to give it a try. Next up, we have the Estetica Sunset Bronzer. I've actually never heard of this brand. It comes in at $24. It says it gives a beachy glow. I do feel like a bronzer is a decent product to get in here because most people are going to use a bronzer. The one thing I do wonder is this going to be something they kind of change up the shade for people with deeper skin? If you have medium or deeper skin, then please let me know. Did you get a different shade? I am in the shade. Maybe Sunset is the shade? But let me know what you got if your bronzer was deeper, because I could see if you have medium deep skin, bronzer probably doesn't excite you that much unless they base it off of your skin tone. Next up is another brand I have not heard of, Mud Masky, $25.50, a hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo. Okay, that's kind of interesting. It says it repairs and strengthens hair while moisturizing the skin on the scalp, controls dandruff from the roots, and works against itchy scalp, suitable for all hair types and especially for damaged hair. So I actually think that's pretty cool that this is a mask that turns into a shampoo. I actually really like that, and I will not lie to you guys, for some reason dandruff has actually been a problem for me during this pregnancy. Out of nowhere. Weird, I know. But that is the August box. I'm not real excited about it. Truthfully, this month doesn't do anything for me. Yes, I am excited to see this in there. I'm definitely going to give this a try. I will use this pore cleanser. I actually need to look up, I don't think I'm supposed to use salicylic acid, so this might have to be set aside till after the baby's here. And then I will actually use this hair mask. I'm kind of really tired of seeing Trestique products in here. I've never heard of this brand, but I could see where if you're a makeup beginner, a bronzer could be real handy. So these two items will be getting set aside for a giveaway. Okay, now let's move on to September's box. This says Glam Vibes Only, and I'm actually really excited about the first item I see in here, and I did get to pick this out. They do send out emails once in a while where you can pick an item. I totally picked this out. I'm very excited about it. I love this brand. There's something about their packaging. It gets me. It's like Tatcha. Tatcha gets me, and so does the pharmacy. I just love their packaging. This is their Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acryl, I'm probably going to say this wrong, acreola cherry. Really not sure. $45. So excited about this. A super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance. Oh my gosh. Yes, I will use you. I'm very excited about this. This honestly makes the box worth it for me because I'm seriously excited about this. I love, oh, I thought I had lipstick on my teeth for a second. We're good. Okay. I love eye creams, and I actually don't have a good one in my stash right now, so very excited about this. Next up is a brand I've never heard of, but I must say their packaging is really pretty and intriguing. I love this like watercolor marbly effect. Super pretty. I love the color pattern. This is the brand Hip Dot. Never heard of it. I don't love the name. It doesn't really catch your attention. $30. So this is their eyeshadow palette in, I believe, Zion. It says it's a pressed pigment palette. Just one look at Utah's sandstone caves will transport you to a world of majestic beauty. Is this made in Utah? I guess it's based off of Utah. I was actually just out in Utah, so that's kind of cool. The colors in here are actually super beautiful. I love this color scheme, honestly. Like, I love purple tones. I love warm red tones. This salmony shade here, the browns. Like, this will be a beautiful fall palette. I do not need any more eyeshadow palettes. I'm trying to use up what I have, so this will be going in a giveaway. But honestly, I can't speak to the quality, but it looks really beautiful. The color scheme is, I love it. Like, this is right up my alley. Next up, we have a lipstick by Hank & Henry. We have got them in here before. I really don't know anything about the brand besides seeing them in Boxycharm on occasion. Comes in at $18. This is in the shade Lip Love. Maybe that's just what it's called. It says it's like a ruby encrusted lipstick, so I'm gonna have to check this out. It's very luxe looking. And you have to push this little button. Okay, that's kind of cool. Ooh. Look at that. Focus, camera, focus. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's pretty. But when it says encrusted, does that mean like as I use it, it's not going to stay shimmery? Oh, it dissolves as it's applied to your lips. Do I need this shade in my life? Okay, I'm going to put this in the giveaway, sadly. It's so beautiful, and I actually do want to try it just to see. You know, I'm so tempted, but I'm not going to, and I'm going to set this aside in the giveaway because I don't need any more ready tones. I have quite a few. I will say I love when Boxycharm does this. This and this lipstick will really coordinate together and look totally beautiful in the look. So I like when they make it like cohesive. I like when they make it a look for someone, especially a beginner who doesn't have much makeup in their stash. Next up, we have a La Vida Nurturing Hand Cream, $14. I actually will totally use this. I always have hand cream in my purse. This is in patchouli, vanilla, and shea butter. I don't really like patchouli, but I will just deal with it because I love having hand cream in my purse. I can't go without. Ooh, I like the consistency of it. It says a sweet earthy scent. Organic shea butter, plant-based hyaluronic acid. Ooh, I love that. It's very, very earthy. That patchouli is very earthy. It's not really my thing, but I do know a lot of people really love this scent. For a hand cream, I can live with it. A perfume, I would never. Okay, and then the last thing in here is Luna Magic Beauty Blended Girl 4-piece brush set, $18. And it looks like 3 eye brushes and one brush that almost looks like it could be a highlight brush to me. It says it's for an eye, but that brush right there would be very big for an eye brush to me. I don't have a lot of lid space to work with. But anyways, that is the September box. Like, I'm so excited about this, and it made it worth it to me, but does this box do anything for me? No, you guys, it really doesn't. I'm sad to say that. When you see the months back to back, I feel like it really does change your perspective. It opens your eyes, because it's like, instead of just being excited about that month's box, I'm really comparing things, and ooh, I do want to see if there's any sneak peeks for next month. Looks like we might get some Beauty Bakery, Dose of Colors Concealer, a Tarte Cosmetics Marula Miracle Mist. So that sounds intriguing. Is it enough to make me stick? I don't know. Okay, I'm really gonna have to sit down and do a serious heart-to-heart with myself after these 2 months boxes and really decide, like, am I gonna keep it? I don't think I'm in love with it anymore. Which makes me sad. Honestly, it does, because I'll say this. I still really do believe that if you are a makeup beginner and you don't have a bunch of stuff in your stash and you're not super picky, you're just wanting to test out new products, practice technique, learn new brands, and have an affordable way to build up your collection, I still think Boxycharm is totally worth it. If you are someone who has a lot of makeup and you don't have to be a makeup expert, but you're someone who's played with a lot, you know what you like, you know what you think's worth it, and you have a lot of stuff, I don't think Boxycharm's worth it anymore. I've said this before, but I feel like ever since they added the base box, premium box, and Boxy Luxe, I feel like the base box has really gone downhill. You're just getting a lot of brands you haven't really heard of. You're getting a lot of repeat brands. You're getting a little bit lower end products, not things that you would necessarily bump into at Sephora or Ulta. So for me, I'm leaning towards that I'm gonna let it go. I was actually talking to my dad's neighbor. She is a makeup lover, and she says she has a ton of makeup, and she canceled Boxycharm because with how much makeup she has, she cannot justify it anymore. And I kind of think that's where I'm at. I will update down below in the comments what I decide to do, but I'm really leaning towards letting it go, which does make me sad. I love doing the giveaways for you guys. I really do. It's a fun way for me to connect with you and like remember you on an individual level, because I message you, I have sent you something, I get to hear what you think of the products, but with this new change coming next year, and I'm gonna have a baby in the house and trying to figure out this way new way of life, plus trying to really just declutter and clear out this area and keep it more manageable versus what I used to do in the past. So I don't know, guys, it might be bye-bye Boxycharm, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am definitely going to do a giveaway of, let's run through it real fast, this Hip Dot palette, which is beautiful, Trace Aesthetica bronzer, Hank & Henry lipstick, and Luna Magic Los Angeles eye brushes, which I'm sure someone will love to have all of this stuff. And you, no, let's not hurt anything. My gosh, calm down, Laynie. Okay. I do think someone will love getting this. Someone will be able to definitely do like a whole face look here, so that's awesome. If you want to get in on the giveaway, there are just a couple simple steps. Of course, number 1, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Number 2, you have to have a USA mailing address and be at least 18 years of age. And number 3, please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash Fam. It helps me keep track of who's really entering versus who's commenting. Okay guys, and that's all in the description box if you need to double check it. That's everything. As always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.